Shubor nakaslem Jongno-San Hima.
Vice President ke United Democratic Party uba alantri dakhar hakasngi baar ulaong baka election MP ke badang syudap kalong ke bak hampir bat ke Jingjop hakasau Tarik ujeliu kalak bandai Jongno-Re-Jongno. Kito ki bala kermens kam ban poi syakathong kila lum Jingkheiñ katkum ke jingsngo thu jonga kalak bandai ke Jingjop Jongno-Re-Jongno hakasau Tarik ujeliu long uba dakhar habakran syakilat pathai khubor. Habakadau baka election MP badang syudap kalong ke bak hampir habayan ujor bat ki weipat Ulong bakila don shibuan ki hakani kapor election kamtam hakapor bateri kam ke jingjar-jar haswa ban tap vote bat kumta ulaban biang baka Jingjop kalak bandai Jongno-Re-Jongno. Utei unong yalam ulong ikmi lenti ke Jingjop henry ke election ke election bat ngimdei ban klet yakani. Hoot ke jingkermen jongi ke syong haka jingtre shitom barat ba jong kinong mi khmat kinong yalam ke seng lambat kinong tre hakisnong ki thau. Henry kumbang ong ke election tongin up yakasau Tarik ujeliu ulaong.
Those who are super confident have made assessments. To my knowledge, it could be anybody's game on the 4th of June because as you have all noticed, this recently concluded MP election was a different kind of an election. There were so many factors in play, especially towards the silent period before voting. And that is why I say it's anybody's game.
UDP having national MLAs in councils.
We are banking on that. But elections are elections. You should not shy away from that fact either. Of course, our hope lies in the extreme efforts put in by elected representatives, our party leaders, grassroots workers. There was a marked difference this MP election, but as I said, elections are elections. Let us wait for 4th of June.
So regional parties, there are two. Don't you think that UDP would have played a major role than VPP?
Definitely, because we have grassroots presence, unlike.
But then it appears that UDP could not make much impact.
Well, what you see is not the full and final truth. As you know, adult franchise is in secret, through the secret ballot. And that's where the phrase elections are the elections has emanated from. So, like I said, very difficult to make any worthy assessment at this juncture.
But the trend appears to be anti-incumbency, and UDP was also part of the government.
There were such trends at a particular stage in the campaign, but however, after the campaign message was delivered by our respective candidate and party leaders, there was a swing, especially with the people who are associated with the party. But how far will that help us is for us to see on the 4th of June.
We are not to be.